Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. As we enter December, Bitcoin continues to show signs of bullish momentum, but the past 24 hours have been a mix of consolidation and low weekend volatility. Let's break down what's happening and where we could be heading next. Stick around till the end for key insights and my thoughts on Bitcoin's trajectory this month. Today, Bitcoin dipped to $96,100 after peaking at $98,600 yesterday on the crypto index. While this movement stopped me out of my position at $96,400, the overall entry into December remains bullish. As we know, weekends tend to be slow with less price action, but things could heat up again starting Monday. Looking at the liquidation heat map, let's analyze both short-term and long-term liquidity trends. On the 12-hour chart, there's potential for Bitcoin to revisit levels between $96,100 and $95,100. In an extreme case, it could even test $93,200. However, I personally find it highly unlikely we'll dip as low as $93,200 again before breaking $100,000. That level marked the local bottom of November and was quickly bought up within just one day, showing strong demand at those prices. Switching to the one-week chart, the long-term picture remains highly bullish. The liquidity map suggests that above $98,700, Bitcoin's price has room to push further, with liquidity only slowing down after $102,000. This means that once we decisively break $98,900 and clear the psychological resistance of $100,000, we could see an accelerated move up to $102,000 before consolidating further. Now let's touch on the ETF news, which adds more fuel to the bullish case. ETF inflows were exceptionally strong yesterday, with a total of $318.6 million pouring in. BlackRock led the way with $136 million in inflows. This level of institutional investment continues to signal growing confidence in Bitcoin, particularly as we move into a potentially historic December. As for my trades, I exited my recent position in stages, selling at $98,108, $96,862, and $96,792, while I received another buy signal on the 15-minute chart at $96,600. I decided to pass because the money flow was in the red, even on the 1-hour chart throughout the day. In hindsight, I could have held my position a bit longer, as the price only dipped slightly below my entry at $96,400 before bouncing back to $97,000 as of this recording. Overall, I'm satisfied with how I managed this trade. It's important to stick to your strategy, which is back-tested, performed as expected. Now I'm back on the sidelines waiting for the next clear signal to re-enter. Looking ahead, I'm optimistic about Bitcoin's potential this month. With December now here, I'm confident we'll see $100,000, possibly sooner rather than later. But of course, the market has its own timeline. If you find this analysis valuable, be sure to join my trading Discord for real-time updates on my trades. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's navigate these exciting times in Bitcoin together, and see you in the next one.